Good evening, everybody. This will be a very quick update. I got the wet side of the nitrous kit installed. So we got our fuel solenoid here, the dual nitrous and fuel nozzle. We got this plumbed into our fuel line right here. And on the back side of our regulator, there was another plug. So all I got to do, I'll just finish up the wiring. I'm going to just do a real simple, just connect it to the wide open throttle switch right here, and we'll be ready to test the wet system nitrous. So anyway, this is a Nitrous Outlet X-Series. The purge works fine, so I won't have to mess with that. I'll just have to wire up the nitrous and the fuel solenoids to to the relay, and we'll be ready to go. Got all kinds of different came with all kinds of different fuel and nitrous jets, and the chart here. So as long as the weather holds, we've had rain day before yesterday, but November 19th will be our next time out to the test and tune. And I did get the oil changed, so that's good to go. And hopefully our bottle is still full, so we'll just take care of this little bit of wiring, and hopefully we'll be able to test some nitrous next time we're at the track. We'll spray our way to that 10-second pass if we have to. Alright guys, that's the update for tonight. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. If you can hit the like button, let's see if that maybe helps our algorithm and get out to a few more people. And we'll see you at the track November 19th. Thank you. Have a good night.